Alright guys, welcome back. Axtuo is back, and I have this 2022 Kia Sportage with 25,000 miles. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change. Okay, this is the 4th generation. So if you have a car between 2020 and 2022, this video is for you. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life and do the oil change. You know the rest. Support the channel. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel. I love you. Where would I be without you? As a return of kindness, you can hit the super thanks button. It looks like a heart. Do that. All right, let's do this. Let's get it. Axtuo. Yeah. Want to open the hood over here? Pull the lever. You see the baby here in the front. The latch is right here. Just press it. It's gonna open. You're gonna need to hold it with a kickstand, okay, which is gonna be right here. You put it right there. Now here, the engine. This is a 2.4 liter engine. Right here is gonna be the engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it takes. 5W20. That's regular oil. It's up to you if you want to put a synthetic oil. Engine mount. This is the coolant reservoir. Windshield fluid reservoir, alternator, air filter, brake fluid reservoir, fuse box, battery. Okay, let's drain this oil. Here where everything is beautiful. Right here is the oil drain plug, and right next to it the oil filter. It's up to you if you want to remove this cover. Okay. I would do it if I have the time, but I think I can do it just through here. Okay. Just put a rack here. All right. Let's do this. That's gonna be a 17mm wrench or socket. All right, 17mm socket. I'm using a wrench, so there you go, just like that. There you go. Ready, set, go. There. That should be it. Stand back, tight it, snug it. Now let's do the oil filter. I'm just gonna use this. Put it here, turn it counterclockwise, then it's gonna come out. Okay. I'm gonna get the oil filter with a rag. Try to remove it straight down. Usually your oil filter comes dry here, where the oil ring or gasket is dry. So just pour some oil, lube it. Now install it. As you install it, tight it by hand. Don't use any tools because you might puncture the oil filter. And then it's gonna be leaking. Your engine is gonna lose oil, and then it's gonna overheat. That's pretty much it. So let's pour the new oil. All right, it says 5W20. Put your funnel there. Me, I'm gonna pour 4 quarts first. Okay, be careful. Pour the oil slow. Okay, because it might overflow. You see what I did right there? I'm not even wrapping. I'm gonna pour first. All right, 4 quarts. Then let's see. All right, that should do it. Now remove this funnel, put it away. Good. Put the engine oil cap. Now I'm gonna start the car, let it run for a minute so the oil go through the system. You know how it go. Let's see. Running right now. There you go. It's running right now. Like I said, I'm gonna let it run for a minute. Okay. I'll be back. All right, that should be good. I'm gonna shut it down. Okay. Car is not running right now. It was a good minute. Wanna pull out the dipstick, wipe it, put it in again, pull it out real quick. It's right there. So I need way more. I'm gonna put 5. I'm gonna put one more quart. Okay, because it's really low. Okay. Now it's supposed to be here. Okay, it was here. As you saw it. In, out, real quick. Now there you go. You see the difference? It's right here now. You see it, right? Not lying. Full. There you go. 5 quarts. 5W20. Get your funnel. Put it away. Pull back the engine oil cap. That should be it with the oil change. Now let's do the oil life reset. All right, I'm gonna start the car because I can do it while the car is running. You see the whole thing. All right. Now we're gonna use these buttons, okay? We press the menu. It's gonna start moving to the right. Go to the gear. Scroll down. You scroll down with this. Okay. Go to service interval. Press OK button. Now press OK button and hold it. Let it go. Now scroll to yes. Press OK. There you go. All right. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Thank you for watching, guys. You know what time it is. Like I said, if you have a car between 2020 and 2022, this video is for you. All right. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy. Anything you want to say about this car, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how it did in the video. You want to support the channel, like. You want to reach more people, share. You want to support the channel, hit the super tense button down here. It looks like a heart. Click now, Axtuo, boom.